Okay, here we go.
Generous. You open it.
Mark, why don't you bring it out here where the light is?
So that we can all see, baby.
Okay?
I'm gonna open. Can I open it?
Is that yours, Lex? Let me see.
No, those are Mark's.
And that's Mark. That's Mark.
Find another one, baby. Careful, careful.
This is Lexus.
Whoa! Yeah! Whoa!
What is that?
Whoa! Look at this! Whoa! See? Mom, what I got? Whoa!
Good, why don't you turn that off?
Whoa! That's cool, Mom. Is it?
Yeah, what is that?
It's a soccer ball.
And there's gold? That's cool, huh?
What is that, Lexus?
I said the
What is it?
white.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Who got that for you?
Oh, good. Look at
What is that?
It's a Mickey Mouse puzzle.
How cool is that?
Lexus, who got that for you?
Lexus, why don't you open it? Let's see what's in there.
Whoa, look at this one.
This is for Alexis, too.
Whoa. What?
What's that?
It's a Winnie Pooh puzzle again.
Taylor. Taylor.
That's a free. Look, I get to the
What's in here?
Let's see what's in here. Hey! Look!
What is it, Lexus?
Cheese
Mark,
skirt.
don't, what? You don't think you need to open
What is that, Lexus?
It's a cheese skirt.
What else is in there?
Puzzle.
Yeah, I think you have another present, Mark.
And this.
What is that, Lexus?
It's a cheese skirt and that.
Look at
Are you
these.
going to look all in there? Open it up and look. Lexus, open it all.
What else is in there? You have lots of clothes in there, it looks like.
Whoa.
I got this one.
You're very good.
What is this?
That's for Haley.
This is Harry's. Is that Dad? Which one is for me?
This is Alexis.
What's mine? Mine!
And this is Mark.
Ah, this is mine, Mom.
Okay, open it.
I try.
Maybe on the sides.
I'll check what this is. Oh. Let's check this. What is it? Whoa.
Nice. What is that?
The president dad.
Yeah.
Ah,
Nice. Wow. You
Daddy,
guys,
like it.
What is it?
And I got pants.
Nice. Did you
nice.
tell Mommy thank you?
Thank you.
You give her a big wet kiss?
Mom, look. Mom,